After June the 4th, 1989, a participant was arrested, and his wife looked everywhere for lawyers to represent him. Many law firms rejected her. I took the case because I believed everyone deserves legal help, and because I had my own opinions about the student movement. I thought that time would deliver justice to the participants.
When you first entered the legal profession, did you have such lofty ambitions in the power of the law?
No, not really. During the Cultural Revolution, my parents were sent to the countryside and I lived with my brother in Beijing. Finally, I got to university in 1981. I knew the Nobel Peace Prize winner Liu Xiaobo and the famous human rights lawyer Pu Jiqiang while I was at university. We argued all the time, but we also influenced each other. Now, they are both in prison.
How does it feel to see your old friends, your old colleagues behind bars, and for you to step in to have to defend them?
I'll try my best to defend them, even though it's not easy, given that China's judicial system is not fully independent. I also respect them for what they did, expressing their opinions and keeping their faith, regardless of the possibility that they might go to jail.
We've seen many lawyers targeted in the past few years. Is this part of an organized campaign against lawyers, outspoken defense lawyers, do you believe?
China has definitely showed progress when it comes to human rights. Before 1979, we only had two sets of laws, one constitutional law and one marriage law. We now have about 200. The biggest problem now is that the law isn't respected and implemented, especially in connection with people and organizations with state power. They break laws knowingly and rampantly, but they're not punished for it. In other words, China has laws, but no rule of law. We have a constitution, but no constitutional governance. It's the same thing with human rights. We've made a lot of progress in providing people with food and shelter. When we were young, eating bread was a luxury. Chinese people now enjoy quite a good life, but we have severe problems with our citizens' political rights.
You've been dabbled in so many sort of dark cases. You know, what keeps you going when things are really looking quite grim?
I believe China will move towards democracy and the rule of law. It might be a twisted process. China could step forward, backwards, or stand still. But overall, there is a historical trend to move towards democracy. No one can stop that.